Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming all shipment details because accuracy prevents delays. Gather recipient name, phone, and exact address, then weigh and measure the package so you can choose the right service. Once done, select same day, next day, or standard service based on urgency and cost sensitivity. Make sure to note pickup cutoffs. For international items, prepare a commercial invoice and list contents clearly. This initial precision speeds transit and reduces rerouting or customs holds. You now move to booking and packing, which determines whether the parcel survives the journey. Pack fragile contents with adequate cushioning and use a sturdy box rated above the parcel weight, sealing all seams. This reduces damage claims. Next, book a pickup or drop-off through the Blue Dart website or app, choosing the ideal time slot for deadlines. Print and attach the airway bill and any customs documents flat on the largest surface. Keeping paperwork visible avoids scanning errors and delays. You finish by actively managing delivery and resolving issues quickly. Track the shipment using the airway bill number, watching status changes and the estimated delivery window. This lets you notify the receiver and plan acceptance. When delivery occurs, ensure the recipient has ID or cash for COD and confirm signature capture. If a delay or exception appears, contact Blue Dart support immediately with the airway bill number and photos if needed. Escalate to a supervisor for unresolved claims to speed a remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.